Hey guys, Brian with Beastride here. This is the 20 volt Workpro drill driver set. It comes with everything pictured here. You're going to, of course, get your drill driver. It comes with a 20 volt 2 amp hour battery with a nice clip you can put on your tool belt. And it also comes with some paperwork. You have the screw bits here that come in this little container. Then you have the drill bits and the 3/8 inch chuck and the battery charger. And this has an indicator light on it, which is nice. This is the little carrier bag with different compartments. When you turn this on, the LED light turns on. And this is the battery indicator here. It has 3 lights, and I have not charged it yet, which is nice. So we're going to go ahead and test it. I didn't get my sawhorses out. I'm just going to be careful on this counter here. I'm going to hold this down with the 2x4. Go ahead and drill in. It did seem to go in very smooth. I was kind of expecting it to not have as much power for whatever reason, but it went in pretty well. And there's the hole there. I do feel like this is a pretty good value for what you pay with getting all this. I'm next going to go ahead and try a screw bit, and we'll just have a screw we're going to screw into a non-pre-drilled hole. And excuse me here, I used the wrong torque setting on this, so I did encounter a little bit of bumps, but I fixed it and it worked well after that. So based on this and the value, I would definitely recommend this. I do like the light. And then the battery did charge afterwards once I charged it pretty quick. I think it was at 3 bars, and then to get up to 4 bars, it just needed an extra maybe 20 minutes of charging. I think this is a good drill for like home projects and DIY projects around the house. I would recommend it for that.